My name is Guillermo Bublik. I'm one of the 4 artists taking part in the Reimagining Resilience show at the Atrium Gallery in Morristown, New Jersey. And one of the reasons we paint is to show our work to the public. I love to discuss my work with folks and explain why I do what I do. And art is about connecting emotionally with people and hopefully having people buy our art so that it becomes part of their lives. It hangs on their walls. So we would very much love for you to come by, check us out, see our work, discuss it with us. Please, we love to meet people, to meet our lovers and collectors.